Hey, 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 happy Monday, everybody. Hope you guys had a really nice day off today. I ended up having to work and I had a dinner meeting, but I'm here and I want to do a really great acupressure session to help you enjoy the rest of the week. So get into a comfortable place wherever in the world you guys are dialing in from. Put your feet up, put on some soft music if you want, and we're going to do a good solid 20 minutes of acupressure. I am, excuse me. I am streaming live from YouTube as well as Instagram, as well as, of course, TikTok. So if you have a man in your life or you are a man, you should definitely check out YouTube. We hit past 10,000 subscribers thanks to your all support. And also, we have a video that's about to hit 100,000 views, which for us on YouTube is a really big deal. For some of us who've been with me on Instagram and also on TikTok, we've had some viral videos. Also, if you don't follow us on Insta, there is really great women's and men's health. So check us out on Instagram. It's the same name. And if you can follow us, that would mean a lot to me. We lost the account last year because we got hacked, but we're rebuilding Instagram. So please join us on Insta. And lastly, we at Empirical Grace are doing really great things. We are using all our monetization money towards a free clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. It costs hundreds of thousands of dollars to establish a free clinic. I did so early in my career. If you want to see one of my free clinics, you can go to YouTube under TV appearances. You'll see the clinic that I established in India. And so we are, as soon as TikTok allows us, we're going to publish 2 courses on TikTok series, and all that funds will also support the free clinic. All right, we've got a good number of people on here. Let's get some really good acupressure tonight. Everybody, put your phones down. Let's do this. If you're a subscriber, you can stop my live, or a super on YouTube, and I will answer your question. Otherwise, I answer so many questions during the live. So do the acupressure, save your questions, unless you're a super or a subscriber. I'll stop the live for you. Otherwise, wait till the end. All right, first thing that we're going to do this for a minute. Let's keep it easy. Let's go ahead and do yin tong. This is a super relaxing acupressure point. You can do pressure, no pressure. You can go fast, you can go slow. You can do whatever you want. This is a great point for anxiety. This grounds you. This is a great point for anger, frustration, worry, fear, grief, nervousness. If you're going for a job interview and you feel nervous, do this. If you're studying for a final exam, do this. If you are going to give a presentation, which I often do, you can do this. This really calms the mind to calm the body. Great go-to for emotional well-being. You can also do this on children and babies. You can also do it on older folks. Super safe. You can do it if you're pregnant. Can really help you along the way. Also, this point I just want to mention can really help balance out different types of hormone. If you are struggling with thyroid, FSH, LH, estrogen, progesterone, menopause, or ovulation, or PCOS, this can help. Gentlemen, if you are struggling with a morning experience, we'll say, this can help with testosterone levels. Keep in mind, with all hormone-related issues, do work with your medical doctor, but I've sincerely seen these points work in tandem with the recommendations of your doctor. That was 1 minute. Fantastic. Let's go to the ear. Everybody got to do the ear, especially it's going to help you sleep tonight. We are going to do essentially 5 points on the ear. We're going to start off with the ear model. So I'm going to share everybody with the ear model. Hello, everybody on Instagram. And so we are first going to do the rim of the ear. Let's do this for a minute. I will keep track for us. Oh, yes, really good, really good. You guys want a one-on-one consultation? I can consider doing them, but I don't even know what to charge for these one-on-ones. I used to do them, but I don't know. I hope they're not too pricey for you guys. I can take a look. Just let me just do this for me. If in the chat you can let me know what you would pay for a one-on-one and how many minutes, and I'll see how I can make it happen. How many minutes and how much would you pay? And then we'll make it happen. Okay, nonetheless, let's focus on the ear. So let's go ahead and do the rim of the ear. Everybody, let's go ahead. Oh, thank you so much, Panda. Thank you for the donation. So let's do this for a minute. This is a great acupressure point for so many different reasons. It can help with blood pressure. It can help with weight loss. It can help with anger. It can help with frustration. If you are feeling out of sorts and you want that chocolate, or you want that candy, or you want that pizza, go to the ear. It will fight that craving. It's going to calm you down. It's going to ground you so you don't eat the bad stuff. And it also can help you if you're feeling angry, if you're feeling anxious. It can also help you take the edge off so you don't pick up a cigarette. It can also help you to avoid vaping. Of course, with cigarettes and vaping, do work with your medical doctor. The ears are full of your happy chemicals, so they will ground you. If they ground you, they help you make better decisions, which is going to help you on your weight loss journey. Also, the ears relax you, which is going to help you to sleep. See how easy that was? That was 1 minute. Next point we're going to do is we're going to do ear shen men in the cave. We're going to go into the cave. So let's go ahead and go into the cave. Now, if you want the ear seeds, what you do is you take the pellet side and you put it in the cave. And if you do that, you don't have to do the acupressure. It's doing it for you. And if you want to buy the ear seeds, it's the fourth link in the bio. They're less than $10. You get 500. You can get them through Amazon. Fourth link in the bio. So we're going to go ahead and acupress ear shen men. And this is a fantastic point. This is a fantastic point. So let's go ahead and grab your pencil or a Q-tip or your finger, and let's go ahead and do this. This is a fantastic point. I love this point. It really calms me down. It really, sorry if I was late tonight. I don't know if you guys have been following. My mom's been in the hospital. She had a blood infection. She's been there over a month at this point. We're waiting for a skilled nursing facility to transfer, and then after that, she's going to assisted living. So I apologize if I haven't been on here as regularly. I've been doing late nights at the hospital, and then also tonight I had a job interview, and I think it went really well. So just waiting for that to come through so I can take care of my mortgage and things of that nature. And all the social media money goes towards that free clinic that I'm dying to establish in the Washington, D.C. area. So really, really good. I know. Thank you for the prayers for Mama. Thank you for the prayers for Mama. And so we'll see if I get the job. I think it's looking good. I think it's really looking good. So if you're just joined us, we are doing ear shen men on both ears. This acupressure point is really great for calming the mind. It's going to help you sleep. It's going to fight anxiety. It's going to help you with nervousness, anger, frustration, all these things. And why is that important when you're on your weight loss journey? Well, it's going to help you sleep. Also, if you sleep for 7 hours and you sleep well, you're going to metabolize better. In addition to that, this acupressure point also helps you to just feel better. And if you feel better, the research is so compelling. You're not going to want that pizza. You're not going to want the foods that make you happy because you already are content. You're going to make different food choices. Oh, thank you so much for the prayers from my mom. She's doing better. She's going to need long-term care. She's doing better. But she's really weak, you guys. She's really weak. At least she's a little bit more responsive, and she's eating. She wasn't even doing that like a week ago. So really good progress. Just have to be patient. Hey, I see Chica on YouTube. If you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, you should. A lot of good stuff for men. So if you have a man in your life, check out YouTube. So really great acupressure point. I'm getting distracted tonight. So we just did ear shen men, everybody. So ear shen men I'm showing on TikTok, on Instagram, and on YouTube. This is a great acupressure point. It's going to help with anxieties. It's going to help with anger, frustration, worry, fear, all those things. And it's going to help you sleep better because your hormones are better balanced. And also, if you're in a better place and you're happy, you're going to make better food choices. I've been doing these lives twice a day, and I have lost over 10 pounds, and I'm throwing out my chocolate in my house. So this is not going to make you, it's going to take away the cravings. And also, if you're a smoker or you vape, also work with your doctor. But these points also help you to not have that urge to smoke and vape as much. I've, in my career, helped 2-pack smokers, 1-pack, half a pack. So I know this works, and it's even showing in my body. So really want to give you some self-care stuff you can do. Next, let's do the half circle. Everybody, let's do the half circle. And so this is the kidney point, the liver, and then this is the endocrine. When we do the half circle, we can also get the heart point. We can also get the stomach and spleen point. So we hit a lot of different organs. So what I want to do is, where is my acupressure pen? Oh, here it is. So all the devices, all my models fell. All the devices, it's in the fourth link. If you want, you can get them. So it's the fourth link in the bio. So let's do the half circle. So can you tell me what to hit to get swelling down in my legs and my feet? We'll do that at the end. Tooth and jaw pain, we'll do it at the end. Hang tight, everybody. Follow along with me on the acupressure. We'll do aches and pains in about 5 minutes. Just hang with me and do this acupressure. This acupressure point on the ear, this half circle, can help you if you're trying to lose weight and you have PCOS. You're trying to lose weight and you have menopause. You're trying to lose weight and you're a gentleman. You're trying to lose weight. You have thyroid issues. You're trying to lose weight and you want to have that ED experience. We'll leave it at that. This is a great acupressure point. The reason why this works is because this can help balance out hormone. Along with your doctor's recommendation, if you balance out hormone, it can help you if you have PCOS and weight loss, if you have menopause and weight loss, and if you have thyroid and weight loss issues, and if you're a gentleman also trying to slim down or need help with testosterone for ED type issues. When I do hormones, I definitely work with the medical doctor. I ask the patient to get tests from their doctor and to monitor with their doctor, but these acupressure points definitely do help. And the reason why I like these points is that it's going to help you sleep, and then it's also going to help balance out weight loss, which is going to help you it's also going to help balance out hormone, which is going to help you on your weight loss journey. You can buy these devices if you want. You can use your finger, but if you want to buy the devices, it's the 4th link in the bio. And also we just did, I'll show you again, no problem. And then this is right here. We hit the kidney, liver, and endocrine. But when we do the half circle, we also get the heart and we also get the spleen and stomach. That's why this is a really good protocol for helping with all sorts of hormone, like estrogen, PCOS, also menopause, as well as balancing out the gut to help you not only hormonally, but also gut-wise to help you on your weight loss journey. This is really good. So when you do a bunch of points, then I want you to do it 1 minute at a time and repeat it throughout the day as best as you can. Minimum, you do the points 3 minutes, 3 times a day. But if you're doing a ton of points, do them once a day. And then
a protocol that you can do at home to help you.
Sorry
One
about
of the
that.
indications.
Live. Okay, sweet. Okay, thank you for that. So what I'm doing is I am doing the half circle on the ear. So consider doing these acupressure points to help you so that you can help yourself hormonally as well as emotionally to help you on your weight loss journey. These points will help you to sleep. These points can help you balance out hormones. These points can also help you to fight those cravings. So again, the half circle. We did the rim of the ear, we did this, and then we did this half circle. Do them for a minute each, couple times a day. And if you're fighting off a certain craving, do each of them for a minute. It's going to help you fight that craving. Okay, next point we're going to do is the appetite suppression point. This is a great point to help you to reduce hunger if you're trying to do intermittent fasting, eating a certain window, or if you have a certain craving, you can also do this point. So let's go ahead and take the peace sign and let's cup the ear and let's acupress like this. So peace sign and cup the ear. This is a great point for helping you to control your appetite if you want to eat between noon and 8. This is a great point to help you if you are struggling with a certain craving. Keep doing this point for 3 minutes at a time till the craving goes away or till you can curb your appetite to eat at the window. This is a great point. These are really great comments. You guys, let's see. I believe because the doctor at the VA did acupuncture on my knee for your back pain. Yes, the acupuncture at the VA. Yes, they are definitely doing that. So if you're just joining us, peace sign, cup the ear, do the point for 3 minutes. If you're feeling like you want potato chips or chocolate, do these points. And then if you want to eat within a certain treatment, within a certain window, take the ear and cuff and do it till you can control the appetite to when you want to eat. Fantastic. We had a subscriber ask a question. I'm going to go ahead and answer subscribers during this, and then do your best to save your questions. I will stop the live for a subscriber, and then I will do my best to answer questions for everybody else at the end of the live. Do you sell the big ear? Laugh out the points is harder than I expect. Oh, sweetie, they can be approximate. They don't need to be perfect. Please, they don't need to be perfect. And the big ear you can find on Amazon actually too. That's really cute. I should put a link for the big ear. A lot of people have asked. I will put a link for the big ear. How about that? But you can find the big ear on Amazon. You can just Google Amazon. We'll go over PCOS in a second. All right, next point we're going to do is we're going to go to the earlobe. The earlobe has a lot. Okay, yes, you can find it on Amazon. Just Google ear model, ear acupressure model. But I'll find the link and I'll put it for you. And it's the fourth link. Good, cute, really cute. Again, subscribers, if you have a question, please feel free to put it. I will do my best to stop the live and answer it. Everybody else, just do the acupressure. We'll answer the questions at the end. We'll answer the questions at the end. Okay, so here we have the nervousness point, and we also have the anxiety point, these 2 points. This is going to really help you calm down. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's grab your fingers and let's go ahead and massage the earlobe. It feels great. This is going to help you with your mood. This is going to help you sleep. It's going to help you with anxiety, nervousness. This is going to help you in so many ways. And if you're feeling good and you sleep better, then it's going to help you with weight loss. See, next time you don't sleep well, see how you do with weight loss. You don't do so well. You don't defecate so well. So this is a great acupressure point to help you feel calm. And if you feel calm, you're going to crave less of that cigarette. You're going to crave less of that chocolate. You're going to crave less of that pasta. And you're going to sleep better, which is going to help you on your weight loss journey. See how simple that is? And again, when you do the points, if you do a single point, then do them for 3 minutes, 3 times a day. But if you do a bunch of points, do them a minute each, and then wait a couple of hours and do them again. You got to do the acupressure. I know you're not doing enough acupressure. You guys go like this and you're like, it's not working. Do this for a few minutes. You'll know when to stop. A few minutes. Take a little break, whether it's an hour or 20 minutes. Keep doing it till you feel better. Keep doing it till you feel better. Okay, fantastic. Let's do 2 points for metabolism, and then we're going to do PCOS and fertility. And then after that, we are going to do a bunch of aches and pains. So, and then we're going to answer questions. Again, if you're a subscriber or you're super, I'll totally stop the live and answer the questions. Otherwise, a lot of the questions I will answer during the course. Definitely will answer during the course. Okay, fantastic. And so let's do from the eyebrow to the ear. Let's go ahead and acupress. This feels amazing. This is a great wellness point. This is great for anxiety. This is great for stress. This is great for sadness. This is great for fatigue. I want to fall asleep right now. This is great for sleep. This is great for headaches and migraines. And guess what? This can help you metabolize. You want to know why? It relaxes the jaw. And if the jaw is nice and relaxed, you can metabolize. I really love this point. You guys should consider doing this acupressure point. I really, really like it. Man, I am getting really drowsy. This is a good acupressure point for sleep, relaxation, and also for metabolism because it is going to help you to relax the jaw, to chew your food, to help you to metabolize. Fantastic. Next acupressure point we're going to do, it hurts. Don't put so much pressure. Don't put so much pressure. You guys can just put light pressure. It'll work just as well. Next thing that I want to do is I want to do an acupressure point for gut health and metabolism. But if you're pregnant, you can't do this. It's too stimulating to the uterus, so we don't want unwanted contractions. So please don't do it if you're pregnant. So for the next minute, let's do this acupressure point. All you have to do is massage. This is called the yang side of the skin. What that means is that this is the side where the sun hits. This is the medial aspect. This is less likely for the sun to hit. So let's go ahead and let's acupress this point. And this is a great point for helping with, somebody asked about toothache. This is a great point. This helps with bleeding gums. This helps with hemorrhoids. This helps with gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. This helps with heartburn. This also helps you with not only heartburn, but it can also help you with acid reflux. This is a great acupressure point for general all wellness. This is really, really good. So I want you to consider doing this if you're trying to lose weight because it's going to help you balance out the gut from mouth to anus and it's going to help you to metabolize. How I like to do this point is for 3 minutes before every meal. So this can really help you on your weight loss journey. And also, when I talk about weight loss, you guys know this. You guys have been with me for a while. You know I want you to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. I want you to sleep 7 hours. I want you to walk a couple of miles a day, and then pick a diet that works for you. The acupressure absolutely helps. I tell you, I've been doing a couple lives a day, and I have lost over 10 pounds in the past month. And I feel great. I'm not craving chocolate because I'm doing the acupressure. I'm grounded. So it's going to help me to help myself be focused, be happy with everything going on with my mom's health, and make better food choices so that I have a better chance of reaching my goal weight, which is about 10 more pounds. Okay, fantastic. All right, so for all of you guys, just real quick, we're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on TikTok. So if you're a man or have a man in your life, do check us out on YouTube. We have recently had a video that hit almost 100,000 views, which is a really big deal for us on YouTube. So check out Men's Health. Instagram, if you can help us double up and follow us on Insta. We got hacked last year. I'm really trying to rebuild our account. We're only at 2,000 followers, and I had 155,000. So please follow us on Insta. And then also all our social media money goes towards establishing a free clinic in the Washington, D.C. area. And then also TikTok series, as soon as they let me publish, there's 2 courses coming out, and all the proceeds from those courses on weight loss and trying to conceive with PCOS and infertility also go towards the free clinic. So check it out when it's available. Now what we're going to do is 2 points for PCOS and infertility. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and acupress the eyes. This is a great acupressure point. This acupressure point can help you with ovulation. This acupressure point can also help you with FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. Gentlemen, this acupressure point can help you because this represents the testicles, so it can help you with sperm. Now, with all things that are related to fertility, do get checked out because obviously I don't have any x-ray machine, I don't have any ultrasound, I don't have a way to diagnose, but these acupressure points can help you and sway the odds. This can help you to conceive. This represents the cervix, and this can also help you to ovulate. Oh, thank you for the donation. This can help you sway your odds. So if you can, even if you are going and doing IUI or IVF, if you are able to ovulate, it's going to help with egg extraction, it's going to help with IUI, and if you want to conceive naturally, you're going to need to ovulate, right? So this acupressure point can help with ovulation, conception, and it can help gentlemen with bringing blood flow to the testicles to help with sperm production. Really good acupressure point. You can do that point as many times as you want, but if you're really wanting to ovulate, do consider doing it for 3 minutes, 3 times a day. And yes, we're going to do irregular periods right now. This is a great acupressure point for irregular periods. Now, if you look at the mirror image, it is represented right here, and it's also represented right here. So you guessed it, it's also a good acupressure point for gut health. And also, weight loss plays a real factor to fertility. Just a little bit of weight loss can really sway the odds towards fertility. That makes sense. The body needs to be healthy in order to conceive, right? So this is a great acupressure point that you can do for endometriosis. You can do this for fibroids. Of course, work with your doctor. This can also be good for painful periods. Periods can be as painful as a heart attack. That's what the research shows. This can also help you regulate a cycle. Do this till you get 3 regular cycles. Even if you are a younger woman trying to regulate a cycle or trying to conceive, or you're a woman that's wrapping up her cycle, this is a great acupressure point to help you with this. Do consider this until you get 3 regular periods or till you're pregnant. You can do this up until you have your embryo transfer or when the doctor does your IUI. So great point. So again, 2 courses coming out on weight loss and also conception, fertility, and PCOS on TikTok. We're also going to put the courses on Patreon as well as on Shopify, but all the proceeds go towards that free clinic. All right, we're going to do a bunch of acupressure. For high insulin, do work with your medical doctor. As long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point. You can do this acupressure point. For older women, you can do this acupressure point. All right, let's do this. So subscribers and supers, you get top priority as far as questions. We're going to answer a bunch of questions in the next 4 minutes. We're going to do a ton of acupressure. So everybody put down your phones and do this acupressure. At the very end, if I haven't already answered your question, I will answer your question. I'll give subscribers and supers top priority. All right. And so let's go ahead and do this. When we do this, the only rule I have is, oh, thank you so much for the donation. It goes towards the free clinic. Thank you for the donation. So when we do this, do not do it if you're pregnant. If you are pregnant, stick to doing this acupressure point, or go find a local acupuncturist. Go find a local acupuncturist or do this point. Do not do the hand points. They're too stimulating, and I don't want to cause unwanted contractions. So don't do the hand points if you're pregnant. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Everybody put down your phones. You're going to feel better after doing this. All right, here we go. Let's do this acupressure point for a minute. This is a great acupressure point for all over body pain. This is a great acupressure point for migraines and headaches. This can help you with ringing in the ear. This can also help you with back pain and hip pain. It can help you with foot pain. If you are struggling with fibromyalgia, this can help you. If this is lupus, this can help. This is a great acupressure point for autoimmune. So this also can help you with metabolism, as this area represents, if you look at the mirror image, it's like this, 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 like this. Also, the hand represents the head, and then the hand represents the lower back and also represents the hip. So this is a great acupressure point for headaches, migraines, for all over body pain. This can help you metabolize. It can help with constipation and diarrhea. This can help with hip pain. It can help you with foot pain. If you have all over body pain with fibromyalgia, this can help. If you have pain from lupus, this can help. If you have an autoimmune, this can help. So really good point, really good go-to point. The only thing is I'm not a big fan of doing this acupressure point if you are pregnant, because the uterus is also represented here, and we got to keep the uterus safe, especially during pregnancy. Next point we're going to do, you know it, you love it. We're going to do this acupressure point, but in order to do this, we're going to have the fists combined like that. I'm showing on TikTok, I'm showing on Instagram, I'm showing on YouTube. So this is a great acupressure point for so many different things. This can help you with nerve discomfort. Yes. So how long would these points take to effect? You got to stay with it. You got to do them 3 minutes. And I want you to repeat them throughout the day. Do them for 3 minutes, take a little break. Do them for 3 minutes, take a little break. And you're going to know when you feel better. And of course, work with your medical doctor. You'll know when to stop. This is a great acupressure point for back of the head headaches. This is a great acupressure point for front of the head headaches. This is a great acupressure point for snoring, for sinusitis, for toothache, for bleeding gums, for spine pain, for paraspinal pain, for neck pain, for back pain. This can help with low back pain, L2, L3, L4, L5, S1 pain, for sciatica, for pain down the back of the legs, for pain in the back of the knees. This is a great acupressure point for helping with medial foot pain. This can also help you with sacrum or coccyx pain or SI joint discomfort. This is also a great point for bleeding gums, for sinusitis, for also toothache. Do work with your dentist. This can be helpful for GERD, acid reflux, nausea. Don't do it if you're pregnant. This can help you with constipation, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, gas, and bloating. This can help you with metabolism because it cleans out the colon. This can help you regulate a cycle, can help you with painful periods. When you're doing it for regulating a cycle, do it till you get 3 regular cycles. Stop when you're pregnant. And you can also do this with IUI and IVF. Do it till you have your procedure with your doctor. Gentlemen, this is a great acupressure point for you, as it's going to help you bring blood flow to the genitalia to help with ED and PE type issues. Woo! All right, next acupressure point that we're going to do is fist on top of fist. Right. While I do this, I have pain in the shoulders and arms. Do it slower pressure. Again, you can't do these points if you're pregnant. This is a great point for ringing in the ear. I saw this one. This can be good for knee pain. Yes, put down your phones and do this. You guys will feel better. This is also good for inner ear dizziness, top of the shoulder discomfort, neck pain, eye strain. This is good for side of the head headaches. This is good for TMJ. This is good for side of the back pain. This is great for side of the leg pain. This is also good for hip pain. This is also good for helping you with sciatica down the side of the legs. This can help you with foot pain. This is great if you woke up all swollen and puffy. For those folks who are struggling with menopause, this is a great acupressure point. Yes, you can do this for paralysis. Just you can't do these points if you are pregnant, and do work with your medical doctor. This is a great point for diabetes or blood sugar or blood pressure. Again, menopause. This can help you in so many different ways. Oh my God, thank you. Have you already lost 5 pounds in the last 3 minutes? I know it's a workout. It totally is a workout. Okay, awesome. We just covered pregnancy. You can also do this point for ovulation. You can do this point for regulation of a cycle. All right, next point we're going to do, don't do this if you're pregnant. This is a great acupressure point for back of the head headaches, for frontal headaches. This is a great point for TMJ. This is a great point for spinal pain, paraspinal pain, for neck pain, for shoulder blade pain for that lady. This is a great point for sciatica pain, L2, L3, L4, S1 discomfort, pain down the back of the legs, pain in the back of the knees. This is a great point for lateral foot pain. This is a great point for absorption if you're trying to metabolize. Oh, thank you so much for the donation. This is a great acupressure point to help you with weight loss because it helps you absorb your foods for better metabolism. This is also a great point for diarrhea. Remember, better for constipation. This is for diarrhea. Is it okay for me to do such exercise regarding optimal pregnancy health? I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. For performance, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this point. You can do this acupressure point. For men's health, you can consider doing this point and then go on over to YouTube. All right, let's do this. Let's do sleep. And then I will open it up to questions. Again, subscribers on YouTube, supers on YouTube, and subscribers, lower left-hand corner, star, subscribers get top priority. Okay, let's do sleep real quick, you guys. You know sleep. So sleep is right here. So this point right here is the best sleep point. So for performance, it is this acupressure point as long as you're not pregnant. Performance, this is the best point as long as you're not pregnant. Without doing an intake, I'm going to have a hard time going further than that, but that's a good wellness point for you. Okay, also, let's do this. I'm going to do knee pain real quick because people won't stop with the knee pain. Okay, for knee pain, you can massage the elbows. You can massage the elbows for knee pain. Massage the elbows for knee pain. All right, let's do this. Let's do sleep. Sleep, again, is the back of the ears. There's a tender point on the skull that can help you. So this can be good for anxiety too. Everybody put down your phones and do this. It's going to make you feel better. So let's go ahead and grab the earlobe, and then behind the earlobe, find a tender spot on the bone. Behind the earlobe, find a tender spot on the bone. Oh, let's go ahead and acupress this. This is, oh, feels so good. So you're going to do this acupressure point till you fall asleep at night. You're going to do this till you, I'm so drowsy now. You're going to do this to help relieve anxiety and stress. You're going to do this to fall asleep deeply. You're going to do this to help you prevent waking up in the middle of the night, to prevent waking up early. If you do wake up, just keep doing this acupressure point till you fall asleep. Ah, fantastic, fantastic. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take some questions, and just really quick, supers on YouTube and subscribers, if you want to become a subscriber, it's the yellow star in the lower left-hand corner on TikTok. You guys get top priority. So I'm going to go ahead and do my best to write down questions. Again, subscribers get top priority on TikTok, and supers get top priority on YouTube. Okay, let me go ahead and write down all the questions. I know I'm sleepy too, darling. I'm sleepy too. Okay, writing down all the questions. Well, you guys are really asking a lot of questions. I'm going to have to maybe come back on here a little. Okay, so the gal is asking about performance. Without doing a further intake, my recommendation to you, as long as you're not pregnant, is to do this acupressure point 3 minutes, take a break, 3 minutes, take a break. Break can be an hour, a couple hours. Keep doing this acupressure point till you no longer have the discomfort. Work with your medical doctor, or you might need a physical therapist. For ringing in the ear, you can just view the video we just published today, and or you can also do this point as long as you're not pregnant. Okay, and then somebody asked about postpartum depression. Do work with your medical doctor. You can also do this acupressure point. Again, the points, do them 3 minutes minimum 3 times a day. If you can do them 3 minutes throughout the day, meaning 3 minutes, take a little break for a half an hour, and keep doing it, that would be great. This is great for stress. This is great for anxiety. This is great for anger, great for postpartum depression, and do work with your medical doctor. Okay, then also let me go in no particular order. So for blood pressure, you guys can do the rim of the ear, 3 minutes throughout the day, 3 minutes throughout the day. Do work with your medical doctor, and you can also acupress the chin. Do it 3 minutes throughout the day. For hair loss, I can tell you my story. So you can find the bald spot wherever it may be. You can get a derm roller. All the products are on the 4th link in the bio. We also have a section on skin, hair, and nails. So do check out both. I believe one is 4th from the top and the other one is 4th from the bottom. So if you have a bald spot, you do this acupressure point for a few minutes wherever the bald spot is. And then you can also put rosemary water. You can go to the YouTube channel. I actually do rosemary water in my kitchen. Oh, hey, Elaine, let me know if you have a specific question. Elaine's one of our subscribers. So Elaine, let me know if you have a specific question. I'm just answering questions now. So do this acupressure point wherever you have the bald spot. Do it for a few minutes every night. And then over the course of 4 to 6 weeks, it can help you with the follicle stimulation in that area. If you want to prevent future hair loss, you can do 20, and you can also do the side of the head, and that can help manage stress for hair loss. Okay, for somebody asked about lung healing. If you're trying to heal your lungs, you can, the medial side. Oh, okay. Hey, Elaine, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you for the prayers for my mom. Thank you so much. And thank you for the prayers for my mom. And so, okay, so if you are trying to heal the lungs, you can acupress the medial side of your hand. The medial side of your hand, just like this. And again, do it for 3 minutes, 3 times a day minimum, or you can do it 3 minutes, take a break for an hour or two, and then do it again for 3 minutes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For irregular periods, we did go through that. You can basically acupress this point for 3 times a day for 3 minutes till you get 3 regular cycles. You can also do this acupressure point. Both innervate the uterus. Okay, for gas, you can, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point 3 minutes, 3 times a day minimum, or 3 minutes, take a break, and then keep doing it. And then also, you can also do this point too for gas. You can also do this point for gas as well. Okay, for shoulder blade pain, you can consider doing this acupressure point as long as you're not pregnant. Again, 3 minutes minimum, 3 times a day. You can do it more. Okay, for PCOS, the best point is this. This can help with ovulation. It can also help balance out estrogen. So this is a great acupressure point that you can do. Again, 3 minutes, 3 times a day minimum. You can do it more. Bell's palsy, go find an acupuncturist near you that can help. Go find someone. Acupuncture is much stronger than acupressure. So do consider acupuncture for Bell's palsy. You can use Google, make sure that they are board certified. Okay, and then also somebody asked about menopause and also insulin resistance. Do work with your medical doctor. This is a great acupressure point for menopause, blood pressure, and also blood sugar. Just don't do it if you are pregnant. Just don't do it if you're pregnant. Okay, and then also ringing in the ear. We did cover, look at today's video, and as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this minimum 3 minutes at a time till the ringing goes down. So keep doing this point, minimum 3 minutes, 3 times a day. But what I would do is 3 minutes. Take a little break for an hour, do it again till it is able to go down. Also for ringing in the ear, watch the salt, watch the sugar, watch the alcohol, watch, let's see, salt, sugar, alcohol, coffee, and dairy, and try to eat a clean diet, and also consider turmeric tea. Okay, for mouth infection, you should really be seeing your doctor. And then also for mouth infection, see your doctor, but you can also gargle with salt water. That can help as well. Okay, for varicose veins, as long as you're not pregnant, you can take a few peppercorns and you can swallow them, and that can help. Take a few peppercorns and swallow them. That can help. Can you help an overactive bladder? Yes, you can consider doing the medial side of the hand. And then for enlarged prostate, work with your medical doctor, but you can massage the wrist. High blood pressure, we did cover, but I will cover again. The rim of the ear massage, rim of the ear, and cinnamon tea. Do that. Cinnamon tea, do it daily, or incorporate cinnamon in your smoothies or in your coffee, or put it over your blueberries. And then also, what I would say to all of you is that, you know, for blood pressure issues, do consider doing the rim of the ear 3 times a day, but definitely do that at the end of the day for 3 minutes. Okay, really good. For trigger finger, I'd have to take a look at it, so I can't answer that. Crohn's disease, what I would say for Crohn's disease, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this 3 minutes 3 times a day. This can help with constipation and diarrhea. For eczema, avoid dairy, and then do consider getting some Kukuinut cream, K-U-K-U-I cream, and putting it on right after you get out of the shower. Alba makes a really good product. It is a nut, but it is hypoallergenic, so if you have a nut allergy, you should be okay. Okay, for chronic pain, you can do this acupressure point. You can do this acupressure point. For headaches and migraines, you can do this acupressure point. For hypothyroidism, work with your doctor, you can do this acupressure point. And we did cover gas. You can consider doing this acupressure point. As long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point. For water retention, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point. For back pain and sciatica, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point. And if you are pregnant, you can do this acupressure point. For eye floaters, you can drink chrysanthemum tea. You can get it at a Chinese store, so chrysanthemum tea. And also for lymphatic, you can just massage underneath the armpits 3 minutes each 3 minutes each armpit, 3 times a day. Carpal tunnel, we did talk about that. Go see an acupuncturist in town, and please find an acupuncturist in town. For diabetes, and arthritis, you can drink cinnamon and ginger tea. That can help greatly. If you're pregnant, just watch the ginger, talk to the doctor if you're okay to drink ginger tea if you are pregnant. But diabetes, ginger and cinnamon tea can help. Ulcerative colitis, I can't think of any teas. Tinnitus, check out the video that we just did. Okay, for menopause and ringing in the ear, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this point. You can do this point for ringing in the ear, and as long as you're not pregnant, and for menopause. For cholesterol, you can consider drinking cinnamon tea. You can drink cinnamon tea. Okay, what is the name of what video? I don't know. For sinusitis, you can do this acupressure point in the shower. You can do this acupressure point for a couple minutes in the shower. Neck pain, you can, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this point for 3 minutes at a time. Take a little break and do it again till it improves. For gout, I would have to do an intake, so I can't help you. Hot flashes in menopause, you can do this for 3 minutes at a time. 3 minutes at a time. Fibromyalgia, you can do this point. This can help you with all over body pain. Okay, and then low blood sugar, I am not sure. Dizziness, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this point. As long as you're not pregnant, you can do this point. All right, you guys, I am done. I need to get to bed. Let me see if I can go ahead and answer one or two more questions, and then call it tinnitus. Check out the video that we just released. For weight loss, go to the ear, and then let's see. Let me answer one or two more questions, and then I gotta call it because I'm presenting early tomorrow morning. So 1 second. Okay, let's see. All right, you guys, let's see. The video for tinnitus is the one we just did. Go to the profile, and underneath the pinned videos, you can see it. Otherwise, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do this acupressure point for 3 minutes at a time. Take a little break and keep doing it for 3 minutes at a time. All right. Somebody asked about nausea during chemo. You can acupress the back of the neck. You can acupress the back of the neck. All right. Final call for questions from subscribers and also from supers. So let me just scan the questions to make sure there isn't anything super major. Let me go ahead and final call for subscribers. Okay. So we did cover knee pain. It is pretty much just massaging the elbows for the knee. And then also puffy eyes. You can circle the eyes. Thyroid issues, you can do yin tong. Sciatica, as long as you're not pregnant, you can do large intestine 4. Okay, I think it's a lot of the same people asking the same question. Hopefully the lag wasn't. The lady on performance, you've asked the same question like 10 times. And I'm telling you, without doing an intake, I can't help you further. As long as you're not pregnant, consider doing this point for 3 minutes. Take a little break for an hour and keep doing this acupressure point till you feel better. So this, yes. So it is Lily 777, Lily 777. As long as you're not pregnant, do this acupressure point 3 minutes throughout the day. 3 minutes throughout the day. All right, fantastic, you guys. Thank you so much. I will do my best to be on here a lot more tonight and tomorrow. Tomorrow I am spent. I had a job interview and then I have to present early tomorrow. So I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you for believing in me. Somebody had asked, how long have I been doing this? I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've treated 100,000 patients in my lifetime. All the points are from my own personal clinical experience. And thank you so much. I have to figure out a way how to answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really appreciate the support. So check us out on YouTube. A lot of really good men's health. Check us out on Instagram. Please help us follow back on Insta, men's and women's. And then as soon as TikTok allows me to publish, there's 2 courses coming out, one on weight loss and one on trying to conceive with PCOS and fertility. And all that money that I make from social media go towards the free clinic, which is there to serve everybody, which I'm hoping to raise a couple $100,000 to do that. I'm hoping, I've done it before, it's a journey, but I'm hoping to do that. So thank you so much for all your support, and I will find a better way to answer all your questions. I love you all so much. Thank you for believing in me, and do the acupressure, feel better, get some rest. Thank you so much. Yes, for ovulation, consider this. Somebody asked about severe headaches. You can do this acupressure point too. You can do this for headaches and ovulation. Headaches and ovulation. Guys, to get enough of the acupressure, I don't think you're doing enough acupressure. Minimum of the points, 3 times a day, 3 minutes. But if you can even do it 3 minutes, take a break for an hour and do it 3 minutes, you'll get into the rhythm. Okay. Okay. If it's a ligament, if it's not piriformis, it's a ligament or a muscle, I'd have to examine you, darling, and I'm not able to examine you, so I can't give you a recommendation. I'm so sorry. See an acupuncturist locally. See an acupuncturist locally. Okay, fantastic. For low sperm count, you can consider massaging the eyes like this and do work with your medical doctor. Do work with your medical doctor. Love you all. I'm going to stay on Instagram and YouTube just a little longer. For losing weight, I'd have to go through a bunch, but go to the playlist and pick out a few points and do them along with 7 hours of sleep, half your body weight in ounces of water, walk a half an hour or so a day, if you can an hour, and pick a diet that works for you. Okay. Love you all. Bye-bye. Okay, let me go ahead and answer some questions on Instagram. If you're feeling nauseous, back of the neck for nausea, you can do this acupressure point. And do it for 3 minutes at a time till the nausea goes away. Okay, and then if you want to buy the ear model, just put in acupressure ear model into the search. Acupressure ear model into the search. So Markendale, what I would do is pick a few points on YouTube and just do them consistently. There's a lot of good videos. Find a few points. One that's really good is the viral one right here, and then right here, and right here. Do this minimum 3 minutes 3 times a day, but pick any of the points that you resonate with and do them consistently throughout the day. Thank you.